life ni Ate Princess. And these 7 people, please prepare your hearts, prepare your speech, and as you like, Tita and Tito.
God, for allowing Lord Princess, na makasalibrate, Lord God, sa aming
Please lead a prayer for our food. May I invite once again the ladies. Your eyes, your ears, turn around. Turn around, turn around. How about turn around? Your eyes, your tummy, your head, your toes, your shoulders, your eyes, your ears, jump! 7 wonderful heads who will hold Princess Nisha's future with the full of understanding. And dancer here on the dance floor. And 3, 2, 1, Cavite! Birthday girl. So, pinatawag, ang pinakagwapa kay Lloyd, at ang pinakatusoy, na si Papa Chi and Mama. Okay, thank you so much everyone for coming here. Mga kids, please slide na natin sa tunga. Ang tanan na effort, ang testan sa King Antonio Day, at ang inyong presence alone is what truly matters. So, can you all give